Dear Mukunda Maharaj, my most humble obeisances to you on your very holy appearance day. We're so grateful to you for your presence and example and mentorship in this Krishna consciousness movement. Thank you so much for always being such a voice for compassion and an example of what it means to be a gentleman and a true friend and a true example and representative of what Srila Prabhupada was hoping to teach the world in times of so much fanaticism and craziness. You were always such a gentleman and such a kind friend to everyone without discrimination. So thank you for that. Thank you for leading a path to really representing Srila Prabhupada in sane and conscious, compassionate and sensitive ways, even in times when that was so rare. So I'm so grateful to you for your life of service to Srila Prabhupada in such a sensitive mood. And thank you for teaching us all and exemplifying that and exemplifying what it means to be a friend, what it means to be a devotee, what it means to be a true follower of Srila Prabhupada in a mood of kindness and empathy to everyone you meet. So we're always so grateful to you, and may Prabhupada bless you more and more, and just praying that you have many more years with us in this world, years of service and remembrance and giving example to so many devotees. So on this holy appearance day of yours, just really praying for all our Lords, Shri Radha and Krishna, Lord Chaitanya, Lord Nityananda, and Srila Prabhupada, to just shower you more and more with the deepest remembrance and love, and all your most cherished desires in their service to be fulfilled on today and in the coming year and coming years that you have with us. So again, thank you so much for all your friendship from the very beginning, from San Francisco, from Montreal, from your days in New York, from the days we shared with you in Los Angeles. So grateful to you for being an example for all of us. Hare Krishna.